I've been praying all this season, building my faith up and strength, moving from grace to grace, from height to height, spreading his word out in hope. I'll be doing this for a while, trusting the plan for my life, 'cause where I'm from, no resting, but God still covers me. Yeah, they said I was nothing and broken, but he put songs in my eyes, fire in my bones, Holy Ghost running in my head. I was getting weird, but your love made me rise again. And he said, if you see the light, remember that I'm here with you.